Hi guys, welcome to Animation Wednesday Part 4. Before we start, please help me to make my work worth the effort. Hit like, subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. That's the only pay I am expecting from you guys. All of that will be appreciated with more exciting videos. I'm ready if you are ready guys. Animation Wednesday starts now. That is where we have finished our first shot last week. If you haven't seen that yet, please see my previous videos first, then come back here. Today we're going to add another object to our scene. It will be Xwing Fighter. Yes, that means that we are getting very close to our final battle. You can download Xwing with shading maps using the link below. Once you have done it, we are ready to start. Go to the file, import FBX and navigate to the file where you have saved it. Drag it a bit that way and scale it down by pressing S and type in 0.1. Okay. Get it close to the camera and our space fighters. We need to set the scale and shade it. Let's split the screen and open Shading Editor. Go to Material tab and make sure we are on Xwing Body. We have got normal map shader attached already, so we're going to start from that end. Shift A and add image texture. Navigate to the maps we have downloaded with Xwing Fighter and choose Xwing Normal. Change it to non-color. Shift D and duplicate our image texture, then move it up. Choose Xwing Illumination. Connect it to emission. Duplicate our image texture again. Choose Reflection and connect it to Roughness. Change it to non-color. One more image texture. Specula and connect it to specula. Add last one. Choose diffuse and connect it to base color. That looks nice. Now windows. Mark Xwing windows. Delete shaders. Leave only material output. Shift A and add glass shader. Take roughness down to 0 and we are done with shading. Close shading editor. That is our model. Looking good, doesn't it? If you think you need to scale it down or up yet, do it now before we move on. Now we need to move Xwing Fighter and camera to the place where we will be animating it. Click on the camera and shift-click Xwing. Then move it forward. Go to the view panel and lock the camera to the view. Set it with moon in the shot. Set the Xwing flyby. You can do it your way or follow me. Move fighter back and set first keyframe by pressing I and choose Lock Rot. It stands for location and rotation. Set up the flyby. Open the graph editor, press T and set it to liner. Our Xwing hasn't got enough light on it, so we need to add some. Shift A and add area light. Set it up. We need to parent light with Xwing. Select both, press Ctrl P and Object. Now we need to set up the camera movement. Set a beginning position and keyframe it. Then find the end point of movement. Render image just to control how everything is looking like. We need some more quality in that picture. Go to render settings and change the render sampling to 512. Enable motion blur. Go to output properties, set frame rate to 30, then change a render file and name. Render it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. As always, please support me with your likes and comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and smash the bell button for notifications. I really appreciate your support. See you next week, guys. Take care.